Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the impressive features of the Cosori Dual Air Fryer 9QT, a versatile kitchen appliance that aims to revolutionize family cooking. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Cosori Dual Air Fryer is not just any air fryer, it is a 10-in-1 kitchen marvel designed to help you create fresh and balanced meals for your family and children. With its double baskets, this air fryer allows you to prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously, making it an ideal option for busy households. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its balanced dual basket dieting capability. Each of the 2 4.5-quart baskets can be customized independently, which means you can cook proteins in one basket while steaming vegetables in the other. This is particularly beneficial for families looking to maintain a healthy diet, especially for kids and fitness enthusiasts who need nutritious meals without the hassle of multiple cooking methods. Another impressive function is the sync finish feature. Imagine having dinner ready for the whole family at the same time. This air fryer makes that a reality. You can set both baskets to complete different dishes simultaneously, ensuring that everything is fresh and warm when it's time to eat. The design of the Cosori Dual Air Fryer also prioritizes flavor. With separate baskets, you can avoid the mixing of flavors, which is especially important when cooking seafood and vegetables. This means you can enjoy the distinct taste of each ingredient without compromise. Now, let's talk about practicality. The 2 4.5-quart baskets allow you to cook a full family meal in one go, which is a huge time saver. Whether you're preparing a cozy dinner for 4 or hosting a small gathering, this air fryer can handle the workload without breaking a sweat. The Cosori Dual Air Fryer boasts 10 essential functions, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, dry, reheat, sync finish, sync cook, preheat, and shake. This versatility makes it easy to whip up a wide range of meals, from crispy French fries to perfectly roasted chicken. Plus, it enables you to enjoy meals with up to 85% less oil than traditional frying methods, which allows families to indulge in delicious dishes while maintaining a healthier lifestyle. If you're worried about achieving that perfect crispiness, the Cosori Dual Air Fryer reaches a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat ensures that your food will have a crispy exterior while remaining juicy and tender inside. Think beautifully browned steak or perfectly crisped vegetables. Cleaning up is often a chore when it comes to cooking, but the Cosori makes it a breeze. The compact, dishwasher-safe baskets come with detachable plates, making cleanup either by hand or machine effortless. For those who may feel overwhelmed by meal prep, Cosori has you covered with over 130 nutritious recipes. The included 30 cookbook and access to 100 online recipes provide step-by-step instructions and nutritional information, making it easy for anyone to create delicious meals with minimal fuss. In summary, the Cosori Dual Air Fryer 9QT is suitable for families, busy individuals, and health-conscious cooks who want to enjoy delicious, home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. With its versatile features and practical design, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.